It is day 4 of our trip to Washington State on the V-Strom. I cheated, I stayed in a hotel.
Okay, we're on day 4 of our little trip to finish off our TKC 80 tires. Pressure's holding good at 30 psi back here. I'm going to leave it there because it seems to be doing all right. And check the front tire pressure real quick. See where it's at. We are just outside Manzanar, California. Manzanar Historic Site. Bit low on the pressure there, so we'll bump that up a little.
Well, our faithful Suzuki V-Strom has gotten us this far.
Lone Pine is known for a lot of old Western movies having been shot just outside this town. Keeps kind of a Old West feel, old movie museum, Wild West museum, Jake's Saloon. Amazing, the smoke in the sky. You absolutely cannot see the ridges of the mountains just over here on my left hand side. That is from all the California wildfires on the west side of the mountain range. That smoke is just rushing over. That is a lot of fire to make that much smoke. That is a lot of burnt forest. Very sad on this August 2020. That'll drop back down to 30 as soon as I flip it off, and then lose a little air. Good little item to have along. Should have done that before I packed everything up. But I didn't. But I didn't. So here we are doing it now. Curious what it was all about. Let's go see over here. What's this all about? Oh. So this is the Manzanar War Relocation Center. I'm not sure which group this quite was, but pretty sure during World War II. This was where certain people were brought of certain races that were not trusted. We are sitting here just outside of the Manzanar War Relocation Center, headed up 395 from Lone Pine to Inyo National Forest. I would explore this more, but I have to roll.